everyone, what's up? Welcome to my first ever YouTube video. So today what we are going to do is we are going to make ink out of rose petals or flower petals. You can do with any flower. So yes, also my language part is not so strong, that I know. What you have to do is you have to be ignorant if I make pronunciation mistake or any sort of grammatical mistake. So let's just get started. So here I'm taking some of the dry roses which I had. If you don't have dry roses or dry flowers, what you can do is you can microwave flower and keep it for a day or two, then you can start with the process. So now I'm gently pulling out all the flower petals and putting it in a container. I'm using ceramic container. You can use any glass container, but please don't use plastic container because we will be pouring hot water. So now I'm taking some hot water and I'm pouring it in the container. I'm not using a lot of water but a little of it so that my flower petals are all dipped well. So now we will keep the solution aside for a day or two till the petals start losing its color in the water. So now as you can see, water has turned into pink color and petal has lost its color into the water. So now I'm going to grind all that I have in the container and grind it very well. Now we are going to filter all that we had in our grinder. So we are done with the filtration process and our natural ink is almost ready and it looks so good. Let's just see how it smells, and it smells wonder. It's amazing, really. Now let's just have a swatch of our ink so that we can know the exact colors. So colors are coming out pretty much decent. I didn't expect colors to be this bright and vibrant. I'm really much liking it. Checking it with my dip pen now, and it's working well with dip pen as well. So I think I can use it for calligraphy as well. So I think we made a successful attempt in making ink out of rose petals. I am really happy with the outcome. It smells so good and the color vibrancy is also very good. This is what it looks like. It is 2 layers of ink that I did here and I'm loving it so far. And it can be used for calligraphy, for watercolor background, or for anything you prefer. And also natural ink can be used for fabric painting as well. They get permanent, so you can use this ink in fabric as well. I hope you guys like the video. Thank you for watching it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share. Please comment down whatever you feel about this video, and thank you so much. Bye.